Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word magnetized. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The metal object became magnetized after coming into contact with a strong magnetic field. Magnetized means that an object has acquired a magnetic field or has become attracted to magnets due to exposure to magnetic forces. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.